I did a SIM transaction. So I did a SIM transaction over in last 2 weeks. So what really happened is that there was a guy called somewhere. So he called me to come and check one account that he has a work for me at Toll Gate, Ibadan. So when I get there, so he told me that the work had been with him over 4 days, that there's money on the account. So when I checked the account, I saw almost like 700,000 plus. So I told him that what took him so long before calling me. Okay, now I said that I should just do anything I can do to get money. So that particular day, the person doesn't even have BVN on the SIM. So when I checked the BVN, it not use the phone number to register BVN. So I checked the person contact, maybe he saved the BVN. So he didn't save the BVN. So I was now thinking that maybe this BVN could be saved in the iCloud or maybe the Yahoo Mail. So I had the iCloud because I only asked for the email of the iCloud. So when I get the email, so I reset the password. After resetting the password, I checked the iCloud. I couldn't find the BVN, no contact on the iCloud. So my man just told me that I should go and check the Yahoo Mail, that it could maybe the victim could save the BVN on the Yahoo Mail. So when I had the Yahoo Mail, I saw the BVN. So when I got the BVN, so I just checked the BVN. When I checked the BVN with one software, so I got the details. After seeing the details, I registered the account. After I registered the account, so I just bought I bought a airtime of 1,000 naira to my line. That is actually what brought me here. So when I bought the airtime, I don't even believe that it could that the pin have successfully be created. So when I checked, I saw a message that your recharge of 1,000 is successful on my line. Wow, this work has been done. So I went to POS. I was now making a transfer. So after making a transfer, so that guy called Samuel. Now told him that it was thinking maybe I took the money away. I don't want to give him any share. And I told him that the service of the Access Bank is no good at that moment, that maybe by 12 o'clock in the midnight that I could do the work. So before okay, I told him that he can't give me the work, that he is going to lodge me at hotel so that I will be able to do the work. So before 12, after 9 o'clock in the night, I checked the balance. When I checked the balance, no money is there. I was not thinking that what happened. But I later discovered that the owner of the account was the one that removed the money. So I was now, because I'm an artist, I was now looking for Instagram, because on the contact I saw that the person is using an Instagram account. So I was not thinking that maybe I should have the Instagram account. Maybe he have up to 15k followers that I could be using. So when I checked the Instagram account, I saw up to 600 followers. And I said that okay, maybe the Instagram account could be, maybe I will be using it for baby, that they will be sending recharge cards to me, people on the followers. I first checked the first conversation. They came to our hospital to come and rob us last night on Friday. As the person reply again that why don't you report to police? Then the person reply again, very soon they will be tracking the phone. Okay, and I told that Samuel, I asked my brother, I told them that this phone very soon they will track this phone. So that I left there. That's what brought me here.
Okay, how much did you transfer when you were transferring?
80,000 plus to POS, because if I use my account, it can give me a problem. So I just went to POS that I want to make a transfer. I'll just boko it. That's all.
Since when?
Since last 2019.
How much have you made from this?
My total money I've made. No, it's not every day. It's not every day. But it's I only advertise on Facebook that whenever you need a local, whenever I want a local work, can you DM me? It's not every day. It's a local wire. So it's not every day. Once. But the money, the highest money I've seen before is 500,000 naira.
What did you use it to do? What did you use it to do?
I rent house.
Where do you live?
Ibadan.
So what do you need before you can
have access to somebody's account?
Only the alert SIM, that's all. Only the alert SIM, that's all. That's all, yeah.
Sim. Don't do alert, don't register alert.
What's your
In this work,
Did you go to school?
I don't go to school. SS2 with the shame. SS2. Best way teach me, you know, the Nigeria, in the Yankee, in the Dubai, na Dubai in the. So, in just teach me only ATM with voters card. You know, some people they say if they get ATM, some people they use date of birth. So, that they give me ATM now, they give me ATM. Now I just go ATM point. I see 1979. I put on, I press on, still balance.
If I give you my ATM card now, got my consent.
Yes.
How old are you?
26 years. Oyo State. Ayola Olalekan.
So can you tell us how it is easy for you to wire money from another person's account?
It's not up to 5 minutes, that's all.
How do you do it?
They asked me not to say, I don't want to say it. But only code with software, that's all.
Maybe you get the
Software on phone or
Yeah, laptop and phone.
maybe you just see the
That
same
means you have a laptop now.
Yeah, that's my laptop.
You buy the software or you get it?
I create software myself.
Can you teach me? Can you teach me?
I can teach you now. It's simple.
Okay, you are the one that will create software.
Yes, by myself. I ask my organ.
See, come and let you know one thing, no be joke. If you know say your phone just lost, my brother, just go bank direct, go block your account. They say so because most people use this the normal SIM card to register that BVM. So if your phone lost, say this kind of people jam that phone or that they take the phone from you, before you know your money will finish for your account. They say so. So share this video so that who never hear and will hear this thing. They say so. 95% of people living in Nigeria here, so they use their number, their personal line to register that BVM. So if this kind of people disarm your phone, my brother, before you go know your ass don't empty. So use your sense now. So y'all share this video to save life because some people they will be say they go thief their phone, finish their money for their account. Now death now go be the next thing. Frustration, you see so. A different format now. You actually the year now saying now they by itself. They do the software by itself. You see so na different format now and have some guys say they thief people money. Your mind say that to the thief your own person, your own black man money. Now be your own mindset. You don't want to work again. You now become I don't say as a man, I be as a man. So I'm also these old people like they mostly fall for this kind of people and you see so 95% of us use our personal SIM card to register for our BVM. You see so with your BVM they go close your account. So share this video so that even myself I don't use my number to register my BVM. Understand me? So I know all those things already before. They say so once you just type the code for your phone, your BVM will come outside. So if you know say you use your personal number for your BVM, my brother, if your phone lost go straight to the bank. They say so or else your ass are go empty. Share this video, much love, respect. I greet you guys. Follow for more information. I greet you.
Thank you for watching this video. My viewers, a word they say is enough for the wise. So if you know that you are among those that have lost their phones or that are used to exposing their ATM, you better be careful because the fraudsters are everywhere. If you have lost your phone, quickly go and block your account, pending when you get another number to reopen the account. Alright, may God help us. If you're new on my channel, for subsequent and more updates on my news, click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.